Hello, and welcome to December 30th, 2024. This month, I highlight 2 underrated CRA resources, plus an email hack that every single entrepreneur can benefit from. My name is Naomi, aka Nifty Nomi, and welcome to my channel, Be That Business. I'm a Canadian bookkeeper and new business educator, and I help entrepreneurs look under the hood to see how it all works. I'm fighting the good fight against double work and against giving CRA more money than you have to. First, a quick announcement. My newsletter format is changing just a bit. Instead of 2 newsletters a month, I usually send out one on the 14th with 3 business hacks and one on the 30th with 3 business resources plus the due dates for the upcoming month. Moving forward, I will be combining them into one very useful newsletter on the 30th of the month that has 3 business resources and/or hacks, and a list of the business due dates for the upcoming month for you to prep your business calendar. This new format makes a lot of sense for a few reasons. When I began the newsletter in 2021, I felt it was important to remind entrepreneurs of what was due on the 15th, so things like payroll taxes, and on the 30th, some things like GST filings and corporate tax installments. But more and more, entrepreneurs are using automated payroll services that pay their payroll tax source deductions automatically on the 15th. And also, I myself receive many newsletters and know the experience of newsletter overload. I feel that sending out one a month would reduce the inbox flow for my subscribers while still highlighting helpful hacks and resources for Canadian entrepreneurs. Do you love it? Do you hate it? Let me know. If you think you'll miss the 14th of the month reminder for payroll taxes, consider using CRA's Business Tax Reminders mobile app, linked in the description below. Here are some end of December due dates that may apply to your business. That includes the corporate monthly tax installments, as well as any other non-standard items such as monthly GST, HST filings, and corporate taxes as noted here. On to my 3 favorite hacks and resources for December, all of which are linked in the description below. Number 1, CRA federal tax credits that can help your business save money. This month, CRA published a handy resource that lists out the federal tax credits for businesses that your business may be eligible for. Make sure you #don't give CRA more money than you have to. Number 2, down the CRA rabbit hole of CRA tax resources. My first December resources newsletter in 2021 highlighted CRA's then new free online course to learn about Canadian personal income taxes. I wondered if they had an online course about business taxes. I didn't find one, but I did find a lot of excellent resources on their website. Self-employed income is also reported on the personal income tax return, and this includes sole proprietorships and partnerships. A stroll through that page links to lots of fabulous stuff, including common business expenses to consider and understand, and also information on EI benefits for self-employed people. Each page lists links to guides and other applicable links. Do you prefer videos? Did you know CRA has about 50 videos that can answer your questions about a multitude of business topics? Take a peek now to see what you may need later. Number 3, delay your email send by 1 or 2 minutes. Have you ever clicked send on an email just to realize, wrong client Jen, or reply all? Avoid that sinking feeling in the pit of your stomach simply by having your email delay send by 1 or 2 minutes, giving you that precious time to abort. Both Microsoft Outlook and Google Gmail have this as an option to set up to apply to all emails moving forward. Simply search on Google delaying emails in blank, whatever your email is, like Outlook or Gmail, to see how to do it for your email platform. Taking 5 minutes now to set that up could save mountains of headache and regret in the future. What resources or hacks have you found that have helped you start, run, or grow your business? Feature it and a call out to your business in next month's newsletter. Now is the time to prep your January business calendar. Hashtag be that business that is organized and forward thinking. Here's a quick list for you to pause and review, and I have links to more information in the description below. If you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm also on Instagram at BeThatBusiness, and you can tweet at me, X at me, I'm at NiftyNomi. And I'm also at NiftyNomi on Twitch and TikTok. And you can find resources and courses about how to run a Canadian business on my website, naomiwilkins.ca. The video today was recorded in beautiful Newcastle, Ontario. Thanks for watching, and get out there and be that business that thrives.